Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 captive screws on the back of the base cover. Pry the cover off the system to remove it. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screws securing it. Unlatch and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system. Relatch and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the base cover back on the system and secure it with the 8 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.